Why are programmers on Reddit scared of this AI? This might be one of the best AI tools in the market, and literally, every programmer is talking about it. The latest chatbot from OpenAI ChatGPT is a chatbot that is so easy to use yet so powerful. As the name suggests, it is a chatbot that presents information and responds to queries in a way similar to what would occur in a normal conversation because it has been educated by artificial intelligence and machine learning. ChatGPT is a variant of GPT-3. It is a type of artificial intelligence, AI, that is able to generate human-like text by predicting the next word in a given sequence of words. To understand how ChatGPT works, it's helpful to first understand the basics of natural language processing, NLP. NLP is a field of artificial intelligence that focuses on enabling computers to understand, interpret, and generate human language. This involves a number of complex tasks. So overall, ChatGPT has the ability to generate human-like text. This is because it has been trained on a large dataset of real-world text, which means it has learned the patterns and structures of natural language. As a result, it is able to generate text that is fluent and coherent, making it well-suited for applications such as chatbots and language translation. This was a very small summary of ChatGPT. It is way deep and can't be explained on one video. It has lots of stuff like based on the user text, it try to generate the next text, but instead of human text, it generates code, and then generate more code until it can be compiled. Anyways, if you open any subreddit regarding programming or any other forums, you would see shit ton of memes regarding how this bot is going to steal the jobs. And yes, this AI is super powerful, like it can write a full review about iPhone 14 very fast with intro to conclusion, and it is a super good search engine for students. But sittlI. I think it's just new and aspiring software devs who think chat will take our jobs. Because they don't understand that, yeah, while chat can create valid code, half of the time it is wrong and it is always in isolated snippets. It is a great tool for an existing software dev who can tell when it is wrong. Chat can write some code, but you need a knowledgeable engineer to know what is worth keeping. Right now, ChatGPT is just a great bot to remember syntax in many small part, but it will with its current state never will be able to complete with software engineers. I mean, photography had the same revolution, did it not? A real artist paints their work. Anyone can point and shoot a camera. Well, as it got widely accessible, we learned that yes, anyone can take a picture, but only an artist can take a great picture. So no, it's not taking the jobs, and if you are thinking programmers are having hard time with chat, so no, chat is right now the best meme on every forums.